If you have been searching for one of the best AI image generators in 2026, you have probably heard about Flux AI. It became popular very quickly because of its realistic image quality, strong prompt understanding, and impressive text generation inside images. But is Flux AI actually worth using? And how does it compare to tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion? In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Flux AI, including its features, pros, cons, pricing, and who it's best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Flux AI? Flux AI is an advanced AI image generation model created by Black Forest Labs. It's designed to create high quality images from text prompts using generative AI. What made Flux stand out is that it quickly gained a reputation for producing highly realistic images with excellent lighting, details, and prompt accuracy. Unlike many AI generators that struggle with anatomy or text inside images, Flux performs surprisingly well in both areas. It's also available across multiple platforms, including web apps and integrations with tools like Comfy UI. Main features of Flux AI: high quality image generation. The biggest strength of Flux AI is image quality. It can generate realistic portraits, cinematic scenes, product mockups, fantasy artwork, anime style images. Social media graphics. The images usually look sharp and detailed even with simple prompts. Excellent prompt understanding. Flux AI understands natural language very well. You do not always need extremely long or complicated prompts to get good results. For example, you can type something like a futuristic city at sunset with neon lights and flying cars, and Flux can generate surprisingly accurate results. This makes it beginner friendly compared to some other AI tools. Better text generation and images. One area where many AI image generators fail is text rendering. Flux AI handles text inside images better than most competitors. This is useful for posters, thumbnails, advertisements, logos, social media content. It is not perfect every time, but it is definitely better than older AI models. Multiple model versions. Flux comes in different versions, including Flux Schnell, Flux Dev, Flux Pro. Schnell is optimized for speed. Dev is more flexible for creators and developers. Pro focuses on maximum quality. This gives users more control depending on their needs and hardware. Integration with creative tools. Flux AI works with platforms like Comfy UI, API services, AI image websites. Advanced users can also run some versions locally if they have powerful hardware. This is a biggest advantage for people who want more customization and privacy. Pros of Flux AI. Here are the biggest advantages of Flux AI: excellent image quality, strong prompt accuracy, better text rendering, fast generation speeds. Beginner friendly, works for realistic and artistic styles, available in multiple versions, strong community support. For many users, Flux feels like a modern combination of Midjourney's quality and Stable Diffusion's flexibility. Cons of Flux AI. Of course, Flux AI isn't perfect. Here are some downsides. Some advanced features require technical setup, local installation can be demanding on hardware, free access is limited on some platforms, results can still be inconsistent sometimes, heavy competition from Midjourney and DALL-E. Also, beginners using local versions through Comfy UI may face a learning curve. Who is Flux AI best for? Flux AI is great for content creators, YouTubers, designers, digital artists, social media creators, marketers, AI enthusiasts. It's especially useful for people who want high quality visuals without spending hours editing images manually. If you create thumbnails, ads, or concept art, Flux AI can save a lot of time. Flux AI pricing. Pricing depends on the platform you use. Some websites offer free limited generations, credit based systems, monthly subscriptions. Local open source versions may be free, but you will need a capable GPU to run them smoothly. So, overall, Flux can be affordable, especially compared to hiring designers or buying stock images regularly. Flux AI versus other AI image generators. Compared to Midjourney, Flux offers more flexibility and easier integrations. Midjourney still has a unique artistic style. Compared to DALL-E, Flux often produces more realistic details. DALL-E is simpler for casual users. Compared to Stable Diffusion, Flux usually has better prompt understanding out of the box. Stable Diffusion still offers massive customization options. Overall, Flux is currently one of the strongest AI image generators available in 2026. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Flux AI worth it? For most creators, the answer is yes. Flux AI delivers excellent image quality, strong realism, better text rendering, fast performance, flexible workflows. It works well for both beginners and advanced users, and it is quickly becoming one of the top AI image generation tools on the market. If you regularly create digital content, Flux AI is definitely worth trying. And that is it for this Flux AI review. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and tell me which AI image generator you want me to review next. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.